Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep.
3 cryptos I would buy right now with $1,000. First one is Heroes and Empires. Heroes and Empires is not only a brand new mobile game but also an NFT marketplace. Next one is Network, and the Network's metaverse is all about virtual reality. Within the Network metaverse you can buy land, assets, ad space and generate NFTs. The last one is D-Race. D-Race is a combination of 3 significantly growing multi-billion-dollar markets: video gaming, gambling, and the future leader of the betting market, horse racing.